Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk about three types of credit that affect your ability to get business credit cards, loans, and credit lines. So, bank credit is a possible reason that you can get denied for financing when you go to apply at the big banks. Now, this basically has to do with how much money you keep on average in your business bank account. Less than 10,000 on average will get you turned down. And also, if you mismanage your bank account, such as having a bunch of non-sufficient funds, it can cause problems as well. Now, reasons your personal credit can get you denied are dents and dings with consumer credit reports. Okay, active bankruptcies, things like that are ones that alternative lenders don't want to see. Now, big banks like Bank of America, Chase, they won't look at any derogatory items. Alternative lenders will, as long as you avoid the big events like bankruptcies. And when it comes to business credit, not having business credit or having low business credit scores because you don't pay your bill could be factors that can get you denied for financing when you go to apply. So make sure you focus on these factors to have the best chance of getting approved.